everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Susanti, but you can call me Santi. I am 42 years old. I am originally from Ngawi, but now I live in Batam. I live at 15 Turi Agung. I am a teacher at Nurusuna Kindergarten School. My hobby is reading. My favorite food is satay. My favorite drink is orange juice. My favorite vegetable is spinach. My favorite color is brown. I want to be a great teacher. Nice to meet you all.